Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the directed mode camera or settings in Snapchat. So the directed mode in Snapchat is a feature at enhancing the video creation process, giving users or the Snapchat user access to advanced video editing tools and features. So it is especially popular among creators and businesses for producing high quality engaging content on Snapchat app. And through this video, I'm going to show you a breakdown of what director mode is and how to use it. So the director mode offers features like cutting, trimming, and speeding up or slowing down clips, and these tools make it easier to create professional looking videos directly on the Snapchat app. You can easily combine multiple video clips into a single story or snap and complete with a smooth transition between the scenes. And you can also add tags, stickers, and music to your snaps, as well as apply special visual effects, filter, and lenses that are quite unique on the director mode. And the timeline features allow you to see your video from the beginning to end, making it easier to navigate and edit your clips in a structured way. And you can also adjust the speed of individual clips to create dramatic slow motion or fast motion effects. You can also add overlays or animations to enhance your content, making it more interactive and engaging for your audience. And to access the director mode, you need to make sure first that your Snapchat app is up to date, because director mode is typically available in the latest versions of the app. So after you update your Snapchat app, you can just open the Snapchat app, and then here you can just see on the Snapchat camera, you can just click on this drop down on the right side panel, and there will be this option director mode. You can just tap on it to enable or open the director mode, and you guys can see here on this you can add sounds, you can adjust the lenses. You can see there are so many tools, lens tools that you can use. You can also use green screen if you want to. And here you can also adjust timer and add flash or import media to your snaps. So just explore the director mode to how you like it. And the benefits of using director mode, it simplifies the process of creating professional videos directly in the Snapchat app and gives you advanced editing features that can be tailored to your specific needs. And if you're marketers, influencers, or creators, it's ideal for you who want to produce more polished and engaging content for your Snapchat audience. And since everything is integrated within Snapchat, there's no need to switch between ads for different editing steps. So that's all for me. That's how you can use director mode in Snapchat. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.